These are some Carrier air conditioners at a 5-year-old Colonial. The home is I'd like to say 3,200 square feet, built by Toll Brothers. And since this house was built in 2004, I'd say they are 10-seer. Serial number 1004E13083. So 2004. 10th week of 2004. And this one has 1004E40076. And they are straight cool units with gas furnaces. The home is 4 bedrooms, I think 2.5 baths, unfinished basement, and it has what is called a French garage, where you basically enter the 2-car garage from the basement. Some of these houses were built this way because of the way the lot is set up. There's the gas pool heater. Model number 38CKC030340 on this one, and 38CKC036350 on the bigger one. A really oddly installed Goodman at a business in Doylestown. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.